Hi guys, Douglas Hill here with Remax Allegiance, and today I'm going to help you repair your toilet and save you money. Okay, so the tools you're going to need today, you're going to need a bucket or a pan, like a cooking pan. You're going to need a sponge. You need a pair of scissors, and you'll need a towel. Okay, so we're going to open up, this is a Fluidmaster 400A. We're going to open up, take a look at the contents, make sure we got everything. Okay. Yeah, we got this action. We got rubber there. We got a couple more pieces here that we're going to need, but that's it. There's the fill tube, and that's all we need. So you know you have a problem if you have a hissing noise and your tank isn't getting filled up. Hear that noise? Now I'm going to cut this off. No noise. So the most efficient way to solve this problem without tearing it apart and analyzing it is just to replace it. It's a $7.50 part, and it'll only take 15 minutes to put it in. Next step is to shut your water off. Make sure it's off. You can hear it's on. You want to turn it clockwise until it's off. If you still hear a hissing noise, it could be that your valve is not shutting all the way. So just for safety's sake, and because you're a do-it-yourselfer, turn the water main off inside your house. And I'll show you how to do that next. Okay, next you want to shut off your water main coming into the house. If you have an inline valve, when it's perpendicular, you know the water's off. Okay, the next step is to flush the toilet, making sure all the water is out of the toilet. Okay. Next thing you want to do is you want to take any water out of the tank. I'm using a sponge. You can use a towel. Next, you want to throw the towel on the floor, just in case any water comes out of the supply line. Then you want to loosen the thread on the supply line. Yeah, a little bit of water came out. Then you want to loosen up the fill valve. This little part right here. Take that off, and you can just lift the fill valve out. Next, you want to just remove this assembly, put it in a trash can. You don't need any of the parts at this point. Now you can adjust the length by disconnecting this and pulling or pushing, get it to the right position, then relock it. Fit it in the hole. Okay, we're going to just use this connection right here. We're going to add the water line. Then we're going to cut it with a pair of scissors to length. Slide this on. Okay, now you can also adjust the height, how much water you can put in here. You can adjust that right here. Less water, you turn to the left. See, the float only goes up so high. More water, you turn to the right. Okay, now it's time to take this ring and thread the Fluidmaster. You could just hand tighten. You don't need any special tools for this. Next, you want to hand tighten your water line. Okay. Next, you want to check for leaks. Open the valve up after you've turned on the water main. Ready to fill it up again. Okay, so check the water line. You got a maximum line right here, you got a minimum line right there. That should do the job, somewhere in between the two. Well, we completed that job today, and we made somebody happy.